So here is the fridge. It does have a setting that you can change it to hot, but I have it on cold right now. I just put my skincare in here. It's a pretty decent size and it does keep it really cold. Like as you can see, it's cold right now. But the only thing I don't like about it is how like this, it does not fit. Like it fits, but it's like uncomfortable, you know? It fits all my stuff pretty well and it was really cheap. But I don't like how it opens this way. I wish it opened like this way, but it's okay. I love it for the price. I did take the label out with nail polish remover. 10 out of 10 recommend. It's super cute.
This already doesn't work after using for 1 month, and I lost a lot of money because I put here a lot of expensive stuff. Yeah.